Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss types of solution on the basis of physical state of solute and solvent. So on the basis of physical state, basically we have 9 types of solutions. So the format of table will be solute, solvent, solution and example of a solution. So let's start with the solid solvent. We have solid solvent. We will mix solid in solid, liquid in solid and gas in solid. So first solution will be solution of solid in solid or solid with a solid. Solid solute is added in a solid solvent. Next solution will be solution of liquid in a solid. Third solution will be solution of gas in a solid. Before we have discussed, solvent is always present in excess. So physical state of solvent will decide the physical state of a solution. If solvent is present in excess, then definitely the physical state of solvent will be the physical state of a solution also. So we will get 3 solid solutions if solvent is a solid. So solution will be solid, solid and solid. So now how to pronounce this? Solution of solid in solid will get solid solution. Solution of liquid with a solid solvent, we will get a solid solution. Solution of gas in solid, we will get a solid solution. So now suitable examples are, first is solid in solid, we will get a solid. Perfect example is alloys. Alloys are formed by the combination of a solid with a solid. Actually, alloy is a homogeneous mixture of metal with metal or metal with a non-metal. Metals are solid, so alloys are the examples of a solution of solid in a solid. Next is liquid in a solid. Liquid in a solid, we will get a solid solution. The suitable example is mercury with sodium. Mercury with sodium. Mercury is a liquid metal, so sodium is a solid metal. So this is liquid with a solid. We will get a sodium amalgam. Whenever mercury is present, then solution is called amalgam. So it is amalgam. Whenever we use mercury, then the solution form is also called amalgam. So this is sodium amalgam. Next example is gas in a solid. We will get a solid solution, and the metals have a characteristics property to absorb gases on their surface. Metals absorb gases on their surface. So usually we get hydrogen with platinum or palladium. Hydrogen on the surface of platinum or palladium. Platinum and palladium both are solid and hydrogen is a gas. So now we have 3 solid solutions depending on the physical state of a solvent. Now we will use solvent as a liquid. Liquid, liquid, liquid. Again we will mix solid in liquid, liquid in liquid, gas in a liquid. Solid, liquid and gas. Again the solvent will decide the physical state of a solution. If solvent is liquid, then we will get a liquid solution. Here we will get a three liquid solution. Now example again, solid in a liquid. So perfect example is salt or sugar in water. salt and sugar in water, we will get a liquid solution. Solution of liquid in liquid, we will get a liquid solution. Example is alcohol in water. Alcohol and water both are liquid. If we will mix them, we will get a liquid solution. Next example is gas in a liquid. The perfect example is CO2 gas is dissolved in cold drinks. CO2 gas in CO2 gas in cold drinks, or we can say oxygen is dissolved in water. Water is a liquid, but oxygen is dissolved. Oxygen is a gas. So solution of gas in liquid, we will get liquid. Example is CO2 gas in cold drinks, or oxygen gas is dissolved in water. So here we have three more solutions. Solution number 4, 5 and 6. Now we will change the solvent to gas. Solution of solid in gas, solution of liquid in gas, and last is gas in gas. So again, solvent physical state will decide the solution physical state. Now solvent we have a gas, so we will get a gaseous solution. So example of solid in gas, we will get gas. Example is dust in air, or smoke in air, dust in air or smoke in air. Next example is liquid in gas, we will get gas. Example is humidity, moisture content in air. So example is quite simple, humidity. And last is gas in gas, we will get gas, and example is air. Air is a homogeneous mixture of gases. So on the basis of physical state, we have 9 type of solution. Out of these 9, 3 are of a liquid nature. So these 3 solutions are called aqueous solution. So whenever a solution nature is liquid, then it is called a aqueous solution. And remaining these 3 of solid state and these 3 are gaseous, they are called a non-aqueous solution. These 3 and these 3, they are called non-aqueous solution. So we have 6 non-aqueous solution, 3 aqueous solution. Total 9 solutions are possible on the basis of a physical state with the suitable examples. In next lecture, we will start a concentration of a solution.